Hello Christians, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing good. So today kids, we are going to learn lesson 9 with the Kathak. So today kids, we will revise all the chakkars. 3 chakkar, 4 chakkar, 5 chakkar and 8 chakkar. So we will revise today the all varieties of chakkars. So let's get started. So let's do first the 3 chakkar. As I told you in previous lessons, the 3 chakkar lesson, that is ta, thai, tat. Ta, thai, tat. So right leg, left, right. Turn, okay? Right, left and right. And right hand open like this and close like this. And you can do the hand position change in a, you can change the mudras. First your left hand like this, right like this, then close your left hand and left hand up and down your left hand like this. Like 1, 2, 3. Like this. Again I'm doing. Let's do one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ta, thai, tat. Ta, thai, tat. Like this. So hand position like this. Close your index finger and your point in Utpatti position like ta, thai, tat. Ta, tat. Ta, thai, tat. Like this. So now let's do the 4 chakkars. Ta, thai, thai, tat. So right, left, right, left. Okay? So right, left, right, left. Right, left, right, left. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat. Like this. Now let's do the 5 chakkar, that is tikta, tik, tik, thai. Tikta, tik, tik, thai. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So take 5 steps like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First right, left, right. Again let's do right, left, right. So when you start the first tapping, so in first tap you have to take a half circle like this. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tikta, tik, tik, tik. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Now let's do the 8 chakkars. Ta, thai, thai, tat. A, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat. A, thai, thai, tat. The tatkar counting. So ta, thai, thai, tat. A, thai, thai, tat. Right, left, left, right. Right, left, right. So we'll start with the right, then left, then right, then left, and then we'll start with the cross, reverse counting, that is left, right. Okay? So ta, thai, thai, tat. Ta, thai, thai, tat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this. So hands be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands should be on a Utpatti position, not be stiff like this, not be down like this, in a center. Okay? So like this. So do practice. These are the varieties of chakkars. So do practice with the 3 chakkar, 4 chakkar, 5 chakkar and 8 chakkar. So stay safe and thank you kids.